What if I told you saving $1,000 this month is actually simpler than you think? And you don't need a raise, a bonus, or a side hustle to do it. Most people think saving money means suffering, cutting everything fun, eating ramen every day. But that's completely wrong. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to find $1,000 you didn't even know you had, using a simple 4-step system. Stick around until step 3, because that's where most people find the most money. On this channel, we cover simple, practical personal finance for regular people. If you're new here, subscribe. We upload every Tuesday and Friday. Now, let's get into it. Step 1. Do a money audit in the next 24 hours. The first step is finding out where your money is actually going. Most people have no idea. They spend $200 on subscriptions they don't use. They pay for gyms they haven't visited in months. Here's what I want you to do. Open your bank app. Go back 30 days. Write down every recurring charge, every subscription, every streaming service. I promise you will find at least $50 to $100 you can cut immediately. One of my friends found $340 per month just from subscriptions she forgot she had. Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, 3 different apps, gone. $340 back in her pocket every month. Action. Set a 20-minute timer tonight. Do this audit. Don't skip it. This step alone could cover 30 to 40% of your $1,000 goal. Step 2. Apply the 48-hour rule for all non-essential spending. Here's a rule that will change how you spend money forever. For anything that's not food, rent, or utilities, wait 48 hours before buying it.
Why?
Because 80% of the time, you'll realize you don't actually want it. That impulse Amazon purchase at midnight? Check back in 2 days. That $90 jacket that's on sale? Wait 48 hours. Studies show impulse purchases account for up to 40% of consumer spending. That's thousands of dollars per year on things you barely remember buying. The 48-hour rule alone saves most people $200 to $400 in a single month. It feels uncomfortable at first, but your bank account will thank you. If this is giving you value, hit the like button right now. It helps more people find this content. Step 3. Sell 10 things you own right now. This is the fastest way to find cash that most people completely ignore. Look around your home. I guarantee there are at least 10 things you haven't touched in 6 months. Old electronics, clothes that don't fit, furniture you don't use, textbooks, gaming gear, exercise equipment collecting dust in the corner of your bedroom. Platforms to use: Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Poshmark, Craigslist. The average person can generate $300 to $800 in a single weekend just from selling things. Someone I know made $1,200 in one weekend selling old camera equipment he had completely forgotten about in a storage closet. Action. List 10 items you own that you don't need. List them this week. Even if each sells for $30, that's $300 toward your goal. Step 4. Stack your savings automatically. Here's the truth. Willpower doesn't work long-term when it comes to saving. The people who consistently save aren't more disciplined than you. They just made saving automatic, so they never have to think about it. Set up an automatic transfer the day after your paycheck hits. Even $50 to $100 per paycheck moved to a separate savings account. Out of sight, out of mind. You won't miss what you never see. Use a high-yield savings account, right now earning 4 to 5% APY. Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Ally Bank, or SoFi. Takes 10 minutes to set up. Your regular bank is probably paying you 0.01%. That's free money you're leaving behind. Combine all 4 steps and $1,000 in 30 days becomes very realistic on any income. Quick recap to save $1,000 in 30 days. Step 1. Do a money audit tonight and cut hidden subscriptions. Step 2. Apply the 48-hour rule to every non-essential purchase. Step 3. Sell 10 things you own this week. Step 4. Automate your savings so willpower is never required. If you found this helpful, check out my next video right here. I cover the 5 biggest money mistakes people make in their 20s and 30s. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you Friday.